Guys, how are you? Today I'll be unboxing my new tool. It's the DCF887D2. It's a Dewalt impact driver, DXR. I got a kit. The full price is like 199, something like that. Okay, the full price, but I got it for 125 plus $8 shipping, so 133, all included. So it's a brand new and never unopened, but I got it for 133 from eBay. So you can look for it and you get one here. Let's see how new it is, how good. I gotta strap this one off, cut off. So I have one here. Okay, I don't think this one made in the United States. I don't think so. It's like 2016. So let's say here, two made in Mexico, accessory made in China, charger made in China. Yeah, so this one is not made in the United States like already well. Well, let's see. So it's still brand new. Still have tabs right there. One side lock. Never been open. Okay. Alright, cut it out. Let's see. So a pretty nice case. Yeah. Normal Dewalt. Solid. It's a top of line impact lens from Dewalt. Okay, ready? And wow. Right there. You got in there. Right there, bad boy. You got a battery here. You got a battery. Okay. Okay. Basically like a used one here. Only one battery. Okay. Yep. BBC. Oh, okay. It's got one battery. Oh, two battery. Okay. Sorry. Right there. Sticking there. Two. Okay. Two battery. Okay. So it's still basically still new. Yeah. Let me take the clip off here. I got two of them there, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Working great. So DCF887 right there. Yep, top of the line. Okay. Yep. Got two battery. Come with two battery. Sorry. The kit, and you got an indicator light on the back there. You can check. So it's still pretty much in good shape. Yep. Yeah, this one needs to be recharged. Yeah, DCF887 pretty so far, yeah. Not bad at all. Okay. Good condition. Alrighty. So they got the right here. The chart to put in. This is top of the line. Brushless. Very important. Yeah. Alright, this is the Dewalt DCF887. DCF887D2, the combination kit It's 199 but got for 133. Okay, you gotta look on eBay and shop. Pretty good. Got Dewalt battery, 2 amp, 2 pieces with the battery. Pretty nice. With a battery indicator and everything. Awesome. Yeah, right. Whoop. Right there. Yep.
It's not used,
I don't think
and I got
it
for
doesn't matter. It's solid.
$125 plus
Battery
$8
charging.
shipping, so 133.
Yeah,
Okay,
lithium
so the
20
full
volt.
price like you can get for like
So,
190
say
or
pack
but
charging,
at load it's sold for
flashing,
199.
Pack charge.
So far
Alright,
so good.
it's charged.
It's a quite good
Alright.
deal. All right, so this is a quick unwrapping, and all right.